Welcome back. Today we'll be going over the environment and understanding of graphs. First off, we will talk about natural resources. Natural resources are something that the earth produces that human can use to their advantage, either economically or culturally. There are two main types of natural resources, non-renewable and renewable. Non-renewable resources are resources that humans depend on but use up faster than the earth can produce them. Some examples would be coal, oil, and lumber. Renewable resources are resources that are produced so quickly that worldwide consumption cannot keep up with it. Some examples would be wind and sunlight. Alternative energy is the use of non-renewable resources to fill today's needs for electricity. Through technological advancements such as solar panels and windmills, the use of non-renewable resources can slowly be reduced. Some terms you may need to know. Greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that absorb sunlight and cause a heating effect on Earth. Carbon dioxide is the most common greenhouse gas. Colorless and odorless, it has reached the highest levels in recorded history recently. The greenhouse effect is the process of greenhouse gases warming up the atmosphere. These warmer temperatures can cause other problems as well. Some of the problems that CO2 emissions can cause can be a rise in global temperature, an increase in the rate of natural disasters, and a power shortage due to a lack of natural resources. Some direct consequences in recent events that have occurred from CO2 emissions have been Hurricane Florence in 2018 and the wildfires in California from 2018 to 2019. These were very detrimental and cost many human lives, and they can be directly related to climate change. So let's take a moment to understand what's happening in this graph. What do you see happening? Take a second to pause and write down your thoughts. You got an answer? Good. The graph shows a decrease in wildlife population from 1970 to today. To be exact, the total wildlife population has dropped 60%. Being able to understand these graphs opens your ability to make informed decisions on how you want to act. So if you saw this graph with a huge decrease in wildlife population, you would want to act in a way that can revert these changes by reducing your CO2 footprint. Thank you, and move on to the final project.